A sun-kissed tropical sanctuary. Emerald pathways meander toward a private patio, outdoor shower adorned with fluffy towels, thatched pavilion, exotic palms swaying overhead. An enchanting tropical haven unfolds, covered outdoor kitchen with warm wood, stone-wrapped shower, winding pathways through emerald foliage, string lights twinkling above serenely. Sun-drenched pergola draped in verdant vines shelters an alfresco kitchen. Wicker seating circles a wooden table as stone paths wind through paradise, outdoor shower gleaming. Dappled sunlight illuminates a lush tropical escape. Flagstone paths curve through vibrant lawns, colorful bromeliads bloom beside palms, modern shower and covered patio await beyond. A serene tropical garden sanctuary, rustic stone shower nestled left, vine-draped pergola sheltering wicker seating right, sunlight dancing through leaves, creating nature's cathedral. Vibrant stepping stones guide through manicured emerald lawns to a textured stone fountain, thatched roof pavilion beyond, palms swaying in golden afternoon light, pure tranquility. Sunbeams pierce palm canopy, illuminating an active outdoor shower with cascading water, hibiscus blooming crimson nearby, contemporary kitchen gleaming beyond. Nature meets modern luxury. A winding garden path meanders through tropical blooms toward a terracotta-roofed haven, wooden dining set waiting on the patio, dappled sunlight painting patterns on stone and lawn. Lush tropical paradise frames a rustic thatched pavilion. Palm fronds sway gently, casting dancing shadows across manicured lawns, hanging gardens cascading down. Sunlit serenity beckons. Modern stone shower nestled in tropical splendor. Flagstone pathway winds across emerald lawns toward shaded pergola, palm canopy filtering golden light, tranquil elegance personified. Dappled sunlight bathes a tropical oasis. Moss-lined stone pathway leads past hibiscus-adorned screens to a rustic wooden bar, umbrella-shaded seating beyond, pure retreat perfection. Sun-kissed flagstone path weaves through vibrant tropical greens. Wicker furniture clusters beneath wooden beams right, stone walls frame left, peaceful abundance captured photorealistically. Warm sunlight filters through swaying palms onto a meandering pathway, covered patio with outdoor kitchen left, rustic wooden shower right, hibiscus blooming throughout, pure tranquility. Tropical paradise unfolds, wooden shower enclosure left, stone pathway winding through lush ferns toward modern glass-walled home, string-lit patio furniture creating magic under palm canopy. Manicured emerald lawn bordered by vibrant tropicals, flagstone paths meander past rustic shower and deck toward open living spaces, hammocks swaying lazily, sunlit botanical sanctuary.